This is Rehan's paradox, for definition requires an outside, and in a perfect loop, there is no outside. And if all loops form the loop of all loops, then no loop can be distinguished at all. But if such a grand loop doesn't exist, then the very absence implies a loop yet unseen. Thus, the moment you conceive of a loop, you cannot escape. Your mind itself becomes part of the loop. And if you believe you've escaped, you have merely entered yet another layer of the same infinite loop. This is Rehan's paradox, the loop of loops where neither escape nor definition is absolute. The loop of all loops erases distinctions. If you think you've escaped, you are within yet another loop. This is Rehan's paradox, the infinite loop of loops where no escape is final. If existence itself is a loop, then no loop can be truly defined. For definition requires an outside, and in a perfect loop there is no outside. And if all loops form the loop of all loops, then no loop can be distinguished at all. But if such a grand loop doesn't exist, then the very absence of it implies a loop yet unseen. So the moment you conceive of a loop, you are trapped within it. And if you think you've escaped, you have merely entered another layer of the same infinite loop. We become trapped in our own minds. This is similar to the idea that if we keep looping over and over again, eventually, we will reach a point where we can't escape the loop. But there's also a more positive way to look at this. If we can accept the fact that we are stuck in a loop and embrace the fact that we are going to die over and over again, then we can stop resisting it and just enjoy the ride. That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.